Nino. Hey. Nino. What are you doing? You can be a TV star? You gotta learn how to poop in a toilet before you be a movie star.
She can pee in the toilet.
Oh.
Look at Steven.
Don't stick your finger in my beard. I gotta drink that.
Yeah.
Trent, tell Steven hi.
Say hi.
Look at the camera.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. What's your name? Your name? Trinity?
Who are you? What's your name? Who's this? Who's this? Trinity.
Trinity. Who's that? It's Debbie.
Who's that?
Who's this?
Who's this? You confused her.
Who's it?
Who's this, Trent?
Steven.
Who did you come to see? Who did you come to visit?
Come and visit Sammy?
Did you come to visit Mounty Dozer? Huh? Did you come to see Mounty Dozer? All she cares about is olives.
I see that.
She loves olives. All here I see is that where it's all around.
Trinity. Trinity. What are you doing? Olives? You like olives? Is that your beer? It goes under her feet.
You can't be putting this on YouTube or anything with your beer.
Oh, we'll blur that out.